The if-else statement in Python programming language. Hi, welcome to this lesson. This lesson complements the previous lesson. And in this lesson you will learn how to use the else statement in Python programming language. And we will use the else statement with the previous example to make everything clear to understand. But first we want to know what the else statement is. Basically, the if-else statement evaluates the test expression and will execute the body of the if statement only when the test expression for the if statement or the condition is true. And if the condition or the test expression is false for the if statement, then the body of the else statement is executed in this case. Now let's apply that to the previous example. From the previous lesson we learned that the second if statement is not executed because the test expression for the second if statement is not true, it is false. Number is not smaller than 0. Therefore, when the program executes this block of code for the if statement and finds that the test expression for the second if statement is false, the program in this case automatically jumps to implement or execute the block of the else statement. But if you try to add the else statement block to the first if statement, you will find that it doesn't work because the test expression for the first if statement is true. And in this case, the program will implement and execute the block of the first if statement and automatically break after that. Let me show you that. As we said before, the else statement for the first if statement is not executed because the test expression for the first if statement is true. So the program in this case gave us 10 is positive only in the output. And then the result of the second program for the second if statement, in which the else statement was implemented and executed for the second if statement. Try to create a simple program like that by yourself and change the value of the variable and the test expression to see the output in that case. That's it. That's all for this lesson. If you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible to provide you with support and assistance. Thanks for watching. See you again next lesson.